Good day viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have to prove that if ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is greater than 0, then x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, the most interesting part of this video is that I'm not going to prove this using the completing the square method. Okay, I'm just going to use ordinary substitution, and before you know it, we find out that this x is exactly equal to this. Okay, now let me go ahead and make the following substitution. Remember that this is a quadratic equation. This is the general form of any quadratic equation. So I will say let x equal to y minus b all over 2a. Okay, now plugging this into the original equation, we have a open bracket y minus b all over 2a close bracket squared plus b open bracket y minus b all over 2a close bracket plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now to expand this, we should be very familiar with this. So to expand this, we have a open bracket, the expansion of that gives y squared plus b squared all over 4a squared, then minus by all over a. Okay, so this is the expansion of this, then plus b times y here is by minus b times b all over 2a is b squared over 2a, then plus c equals 0. Okay, now we're going to open up this bracket using a, and by so doing we have a times y squared here is what? Ay squared, plus a times b squared over 4a squared. A and a cancel out, remaining only a with the first power here, so we have b squared all over 4a, then minus, here a and a get cancelled, by plus by minus b squared all over 2a plus c is equal to 0. Okay, right here we see that this and this get cancelled out. Well, our major priority here is to depress this equation. So from here now we have ay squared, okay, plus b squared all over 4a minus b squared all over 2a plus c is equal to 0. Now all these constants, so if they are going over to the right hand side, so remember their signs changes. Okay, but let us first simplify this from here. So we know that 4a and 2a, the common denominator here is 4a. Okay, so we have b squared minus, here 4a divided by 2a is 2, then 2b squared, so don't forget, plus c, then ay squared plus this is equal to 0. Okay, now we have here ay squared, b squared minus 2b squared is negative b squared all over 4a plus c is equal to 0. Taking this over, so we have here ay squared is equal to, this is going to be b squared if they are crossing over to the other side over 4a minus c. So simplifying this here, so simplifying this from here, so we have here common denominator is 4a. okay, then we have here b squared minus 4ac. okay, so don't forget we have ay squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a. okay, so from here we're dividing both sides by a, so this is over a and this is over a. Remember here a and a gets cancelled out, so this is simplifying to just b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So we're going to take root of both sides, so we have y squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So taking root of both sides, we get y is equal to, plus or minus square root of whole thing here, b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. And by so doing, remember this simplifies to square root of the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over, square root of 4a squared is just 2a. Okay, now don't forget that we made a substitution. Don't forget we made a substitution that x is equal to, so we made a substitution here, let x equal to y minus b all over 2a. So we're going to find out the value of x from here now. Okay, so right here we have y to be equal to this, so we get x is equal to, so we get here that x is going to be, don't forget that this is plus or minus here, so I'm so sorry for that. So s is going to be y minus b all over 2a. So this is equal to, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a minus b all over 2a. Okay, taking the common denominator, so we have here x to be equal to, we can write this as minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is the general quadratic formula. Thank you for viewing, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.